Welcome back, cruisers, to Prescribed Adventures. This is Chris, and today we are on board Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas. And we're going to give you a tour of the Royal Promenade. This promenade is twice the size of any of the Oasis class ships, and we're going to show you everything there is. So let's go. So starting on the left here, we're going to walk around deck 6 first, and we're going to start with Boleros, the Latin-themed bar, club, dance area. They will have live music at night. Oh, and they are even jamming the music already here. So going around, the Boleros, and this is your Voom. If you're having any issues with your internet, this is where you're gonna come. And we're gonna head over to Pearl Café, which is basically on the other ship's cafe promenade. On the smaller ships, a little park cafe. But here you have Pearl Café, named after the pearl. And here you can get your specialty coffees by Starbucks. You have your pastries, your to-go sandwiches. You get some cookies. Good morning. Get some fruits. Here's some more grab-and-go stuff. And here's where you got your beverages, cold beverages. This is all included. So everything at Pearl Café is included with your fare. And as we circle around, and like I said, we're circling around deck 6 right now. And you can see there's plenty of seating to relax at. And over here we have the Attic Night Comedy Club. And as they do now, they have a Zoltar from the movie Big right here. It's usually on boardwalk on the
I am full of it.
oh wait,
And I can see your future. Come see it too, no?
I didn't know Zoltar actually speaks. First time I've heard that. So here we're at the front elevator banks. And they have this amazing, unique artwork all over. And here we come to dueling pianos. And like I said, it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, so just trying to get some footage here while not being in everybody's way. So there you have your dueling pianos. Try to get a little footage of that. And this is where when they're doing the promenade parties and stuff, this is where the band will be, the DJ will be set up, and here we come across Giovanni's right in the middle. As you can see, we're right across from the Pearl now. Give you an idea where we're at. So you have Giovanni's. This is the Giovanni's kitchen. The newest version of Giovanni's on the Royal Caribbean ships. And this is their wine bar. So we're gonna just walk through here. See? And what's amazing about this promenade is you do not feel like you're inside a mall like on the other ones, because you actually have windows and you have natural light coming in, all because of the Pearl. The Pearl is not just there to look beautiful and amazing and to awe you, but the fact that it is a structure that is holding the ship together, so that way they could put glass on the outside to let that natural light in. And that natural light you can see not only on the promenade, you can actually see it all the way to Central Park. And we'll show you that in our Central Park video. So make sure you are liking this video, you're subscribing, because we have plenty of Star of the Seas footage coming your way. So here we are at the Schooner Bar, classic nautical themed Royal Caribbean bar. And as you can see, the sun is just starting to come up. Take a look out there. We are docking in Coco Cay. And it looks like I think we are already docked. Sun's not quite out yet, but so this is the Schooner Bar. And I gotta say, it's a great size. Way bigger, of course, than the Oasis class ships, where it is also located on deck 6. And we have plenty of Utopia of the Seas footage that you can check out on the channel, and I'll put that in a link down below as well. So that was deck 6. And we're just gonna head down the stairs and show you deck 5. Since the Royal Promenade on Icon class, which is Icon and Star, are 2 decks, 2 full decks. As you saw, we could walk around deck 6, where on the Oasis class ships, oh, look who we got. We got Bob the cleaning guy. Hey Bob, say hi, I'm Bob. Neat and clean, that is awesome. So we're gonna check out a dog on a skateboard. Surprised they didn't make it a golden retriever. So here you have more shops. I'm gonna swing around real quick. Here you have your port merchants, buy your alcohol, tobacco. You have more stores on the end here, the Pavilion on 5. Back there you got the dining room. Here you can see you got your watches. And we will start down this way. Start on the right-hand side this time, because why not? Start on the left up top. Here you have your next cruise. You're on the cruise, you're enjoying yourself. I can't wait to book another one with Prescribed Adventures. This is where you're gonna go. Come here, sit down, they'll book it for you. And if you're already booked with Prescribed Adventure, it'll automatically be linked. And on the other side here, we have the Crown and Anchor Society. If you have any issues with your account, this is where you're gonna come, let them know, they'll take care of it for you. And here we're gonna go to the Thorn and Thistle, the English theme pub. And like I said, there is unique art all over this ship. And why this kid is tripping this cop, I have no idea. So here at the Thorn and Thistle, you will have the guitar player playing tonight. As we continue on, here we have the port, the shopping desk. If you have any questions about shopping at the ports, this is where you're going to come. And here we have the 1400 bar. It's named 1400 because Icon, that was the ship designation in when the where it was being built. So technically, Star of the Seas was 1401, but I don't think that would have rolled off the tongue because it just didn't. So here you have as you can see where sun is just coming up once again. And here's some more unique art of melting ice cream. Probably should have been out in Surfside because it is hot out there. And here you have your Starbucks kiosk. Just like any regular Starbucks, you can use your Starbucks app. It is not included in your drink package or your diamond drinks. And they do have the new Star of the Seas Been There series, which we already bought. And here you have your purses and baggage shopping called The Collection. Pull out, we have Spotlight Karaoke. Has its own bar in here. They'll have karaoke every night. Sometimes they have family karaoke and sometimes they have adult karaoke. And in the back there, I believe they have individual rooms that you can rent. So if you're too shy to get up on stage and sing in front of everybody, you can still do it with your friends and family by renting the room. And here's some more of the unique art. There's planet people. I think there's 6 of them on this ship. So here we are in the front, just to give you an idea. As with all Royal Caribbean ships, the Royal Theater is in the front of the ship. So as we continue back, we're gonna go down the other side. So once again, you have more shops here. This is the makeup shop. And here you have the Effie shop. And another staple on most of the Royal Caribbean ships, we have Sorrento's, where you can get your late night pizzas after you gambled all your money away. At least the pizza will make you feel better. Just joking. You got an ATM back there in case you need it. Signs everywhere showing forward, aft, so you don't get lost. And here we have the logo merchandise. Get all of your Star of the Seas merch. And we have the logo shop. So you got plenty more. What is back here? Seating over here, inside and outside, which is nice. And behind the Pearl, you have the photo gallery area, which there is no more real galleries. Everything is done on the app. You can pull up all your pictures that they've taken of you and purchase them straight through there. You can have them printed or downloaded, whichever you prefer. Let's take a quick look outside just to show you. So yep, here we are. Uh-oh. And just as a treat, as we walk out here, we are docked. And that is Icon of the Seas. In the background there, I don't know if you can see it very well. See if I zoom in. There she is, Icon of the Seas, is about to park next to us. And oh, it is humid out here already. Yes, it is. Quite humid. So also out here on deck 5, on the outside, you have the walking running track, goes all the way around. And these doors are a little glitchy, I would say. Maybe they aren't warmed up yet, as this is the last showcase sailing. And when we get off on Sunday, it will be the first full inaugural 7-day cruise. So as we continue down, we're almost done. Here you have guest services. If you have any issues with your account, come on over here. Make sure you do not do that on the last day, as this will be packed. Hello. And so, there you have it, folks. We're back at the Port Merchant, which means we walked all the way around deck 5 and deck 6. So there you have it, folks. That was the Royal Promenade. We're here on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest ship, Star of the Seas. And we have plenty more Star of the Seas videos coming for you. Full tour of all the neighborhoods. So make sure you like, subscribe. This music is blasting in here at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I have no idea why. But yes, make sure you like, subscribe, and share all our videos. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.